Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be building the aeroplane from the Lego Creator Set 31124. It's a 3-in-1 set and I'll be building that build there. I have the instructions for it here. Slightly thinner book again. So we start off with a grey 6x2 flat studded, a green 3x2 flat studded, a grey 2x2 laser piece, like so. Then a yellow cheese piece with one of those pieces there, and a yellow 2x1 with a stud in the middle. So it looks like that so far. Then a green 3x3x2 flat studded, two of the yellow 1x4 flat studded, a yellow 2x1 flat studded, a yellow, or studded in the middle anyway, I'll show you this in a minute, and a yellow 2x2 flat studded, like so. Try and show you that before we go any further. Then two of the 2x1 flat with a stud in the middle go on top, like so. That's our plane so far. You've got two of the yellow clear cheese pieces and a red 2x1 flat, like so. Put that over here a minute. Got to build the back bit of the plane now, which is another grey 6x2 flat studded. Start off with the black 3x1 right angled pieces, like so. Two of the 2x2 upside down roofing pieces. One of the green 3x2, the green 3x2 flat studded, and a light blue 2x1 flat studded. Goes on there like that. Then you stick these two bits together. That's your main body of the plane so far. Then you have a green 3x2 flat studded, go on there. Holds that together. And you have two of the black 3x2 right angled pieces. Two of the yellow flat with 2x1 flat with the stud in the middle, go on top there. Then two of the red 2x2 angled vent pieces. 2x1 angled vent pieces, my apologies. Like so. As you see, you've got those two on the top there. Another red 2x1 flat goes on top, and two more of the angled vent pieces go on the other side, like that, as you can see. Put that there. Do the next bit of the cockpit, of the body of the plane. Starts off as a grey 6x2 flat, a grey 2x2 laser piece, two of the clear yellow studs, and two of the green 2x2 with the male ball joint on the longer side, like so. The black 2x2 flat studded goes on there, goes on the top like that. Then you've got two more of the green 2x2 with the male ball joint on the longer side, and a green 3x2 flat studded, and a yellow 2x2 flat studded goes on there. And that bit goes on the back like that. The plane is now, you can see where it's starting to take shape now. Put that there. Now we've got two of the black 2x2 with the male bar pieces on the side, like so. Then two of the black 2x4 flat studded pieces, like so. And then we have another one of those black 2x4 flat studded pieces with two black double cheese pieces, like so. And we've got two yellow quarter pizza pieces to go on, and two red 1x4 flats to go on, like so. And that's the body for the time being. Now we've got to make the first wing. Starts off life like that. I think it will be a left and right job here, so I'm going to try and do them together. So we have the yellow 6x1 flats to go on. I'll try and mirror this, so see if we can do that. A grey 2x1 with a female ball joint on the thinner side, like one of these. Like that. We have two of the red 2x1 curved roofing pieces. Then two of the yellow quarter pizza pieces. Like so. Then we flip these over. Then you have two more of the grey 2x1 with the female ball joints on the shorter side. You put the wings now should be ready to go on the side. So it's pretty much almost like has a swing wing effect on it as well, which is quite nice. As you can see, it goes from like that to like that, so that's quite cool. So I've done both the wings. If you build this yourself, and you're not that confident, don't just try and follow the instructions and build each wing separately. Now we've got to build the tail bit, which starts off as a green 3x2 flat, and then two of the black 4x2 flats, flat studded, like so. Then a yellow 2x2 right angle piece, two of these black angle pieces, then two of the, so it's like that, then two of the yellow 2x2 flat studded pieces go on top, two of the red 2x1 curved roofing pieces go on, like so. Then that bit there goes on the back. Goes on like that. It does look good, and the wings suddenly lose their ability to go all the way back, which is a bit of a shame. But I'll probably do a mod. You could do a mod on that to make that look better, though, really. But it does look quite good like that, though, to be fair. And now we've got two of the red 4x1 flats to go on, like so. Two of the yellow 2x2 right angle pieces to go on. And then two of the black 2x2 curved roofing pieces to go on the back. Like so. Then flip this over, and now we put the jets on the back. I missed something. There you go. And we've got to put some jet thruster bits on the back, which means I'm going to have to solve that problem. So we start off, the jet thrusters start off as a grey 2x1 flat studded with the black 2x2 curved pieces, like so. Then two of the red 2x2 2x1 vent pieces. Like so. So we've got 2 of those. And these go on the back. This particular set is actually available in Tesco's at a good price at the moment. So then we've got 2, and then now we've got those on the back. Those go on the back like that. Got 2 red tail fins to go on there. And you have actually got quite a cool Lego aeroplane, really. Looks like an X30. I think it's called the X30. It's got that angled wing effect. It does look quite good, really. That has to be said. I do quite like it. So this is actually quite a cool little build. So I'm quite happy with that. I would say this is the second best build of this set. It does look like because you've got the robot is cool, and it stands up and it's posable, and this aeroplane is cool. It's got moving parts on it, and it's a jet plane. Can't really say much. Can't really go much more than that, really, on that. And it's got modification potential as well. You could put some extra bits on it as well. So I quite like this plane. It does look quite cool. It does appeal to me. I think I would possibly, if I could get this particular set at the right price, I'd probably buy it just to sort of have the robot and the plane separately, and then put all the rest of the bricks together and see what I could do. But like I say, I'm quite happy with this. That plane is seriously cool. It does look good. I think anyone who likes their planes will like this particular set. Sets are going for between £7 and £9, depending where you buy it from. And it is good value for money. I mean, I've done all 3 builds, and I've enjoyed them all. The Dragon has issues with standing up and stuff like that, and possible playability, but all those could be fixed quite easily with a bit of ingenuity and a bit of time. So well done, Lego, and keep at it. So I hope you like this video. If you do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Have any comments or feedback regarding this video, do feel free to leave them at the end of the video, and I'll try to give mention on my upcoming videos. I am on YouTube and Instagram if you wish to follow me. Also, if you wish to like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends, it'd be very much appreciated. I do this for enjoyment as much as anything else, but the more subscribers I get, potentially the more returns I get on it, and the more Lego I can buy. So hope to see you on my next video. Stay safe, keep building, and I'll see you in my next video.